Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today Microsoft released a Windows 11 Insider Preview build 25201 to the dev channel. Starting with this build, we are getting ISOs for this build. Microsoft is beginning to roll out an expanded view for widgets. Also, Microsoft is beginning to roll out an update to the Game Pass widget that supports signing in with your Xbox profile and shows you recently played games from the Game Pass library. Talking about the new features introduced to this build. An expanded view in widgets. Microsoft is trying out some changes that will allow you to expand the size of your widgets board. Use the Expand and Collapse button in the top right corner of the board, next to the Add Widgets button, to expand or collapse the size of your widgets board. Microsoft is beginning to roll this out, so the experience isn't available to all insiders just yet. Talking about the Game Pass widget improvements. Microsoft is beginning to roll out an update for the Game Pass widget that introduces the ability to sign in with your Xbox profile. If you have already signed into your Xbox app on PC, the Game Pass widget will be signed in with your Xbox account. Once signed in, the widget will show the full range of Game Pass games available to you. Additionally, the widget will also show the most recent set of PC Game Pass titles you have played. It gives gamers a quick way to get right back into the action. As Microsoft is beginning to roll this out, so the experience isn't available to all insiders just yet. So, that were all new features introduced to this build. Talking about the changes and improvements. Starting with this week's flight, Microsoft is concluding the exploration of the search visuals, so if you receive this experience, it will be removed on your next reboot. For the File Explorer. File Explorer search will now show results as you type. The full search results page will update live without needing to press enter. As of now, Microsoft is beginning to roll this out, so the experience isn't available to all insiders just yet. Also, Microsoft is experimenting with adding more cloud files to search results from home. This was the only change in this build. Coming to the fixes in this build. For general fixes. Fix the issue in the last few flights causing a bug check when moving your mouse in certain games. For the File Explorer. As a one-time change to help people find their folders with the navigation pane updates. If the default folders pinned to File Explorer's navigation pane had been unpinned, they will be repinned after upgrading. Also fixed a memory leak that was happening when closing File Explorer windows. For the taskbar. The apps in the taskbar overflow flyout should now be in the correct order, when using an Arabic or Hebrew display language. For the Settings app. Fixed an issue that was causing sporadic Settings app crashes. Also removed an erroneous white pixel in the icon animation when clicking the app's category in Settings. For the widgets. Fixed the issue where in some cases, the notification banner for some badging would not appear in the widgets board. For the windowing. Fixed an issue where Explorer.exe was crashing if you dragged a snap group in task view and dropped it into another desktop. Fixed an issue related to interacting with the desktop's flyout in the taskbar which was causing periodic Explorer.exe crashes. Fixed a DWM crash in the last few flights which could lead to a brief black screen when rotating a tablet. Fixed a rare issue that could cause a DWM crash when watching videos in certain UWP apps and recent builds. For the Task Manager. Fixed an issue impacting Task Manager reliability. For the other fixes. Fixed an issue causing some insiders to unexpectedly get the message it is not possible to connect to this network when connecting to certain Wi-Fi networks recently, although the network was working with other devices. Lastly, fixed an issue that could lead to Windows Sandbox opening to just a black window on certain PCs. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog, from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.